Okay, hello guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to presentation. Before the presentation, I wanna the introduction by group 4. The in consists Ade Kurniawan, Ahmad, Muharram, Jiddan, Wahono, and Zaro, Daeli. Okay, first, what is operating system? If we get hear that in imagination is the user interface, open the application, and order. Okay, operating system having working components. The design to define as user. Okay, important function is OS a lot. For example, memory management. Memory management is the saving data in the OS. Processor management, if we open the application, and then file management, if we saving the file, then OS will the saving. And then operating system having two. First, desktop OS. There are Windows, Mac OS. Windows OS a lot version. For example, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, and other. And Mac OS. And then there are mobile OS, such as Android, having a lot variant, like for example the Android 10, Android 11, and important the two Harmony OS, the baby boomers, that is new OS. I talk to the slide next. And Harmony OS type various available cyberscape. And Harmony OS the launch by the Huawei smartphone launch the end 2020. This OS having a lot and not a lot, not same the Android, not a lot different with the Android and MUI 11. However, the different data management so very good. If we using 3 years, data not the loss. The Harmony OS mastered device in China like Huawei, Media, and Infinix. Okay, next slide interface. Right, there are Harmony OS in tablet, the left, Harmony OS in smartphone. By the widget, gesture, taskbar, and icon, not a lot different with the MUI and Android. Why? Because if them different, the people not comfortable. Next, such as Peter, the soft bus, the soft us.
Hello, welcome. My name Ade Kurniawan, and I will presenting about the features of the Harmony OS. The feature is the soft bus. The soft bus is communication based for connecting other device to same Harmony OS. Example, in smartphone, can connect with a smart TV, and can connect with the smartwatch, and can connect with smart pad. Is interconnecting a device on same Harmony OS. Next, distributed data. Distributed data, it's meaning leverage of the this of boost features. It can manage an application data using distributed data management. You can manage your smartwatch on your handphone, and you can manage your smart TV on your handphone. So it's a very good features in the Harmony OS. And then next, distributed scheduler. Nice. This distributed scheduler is example. This one super device is can connect to other device on same Harmony OS. Example, I want setting setting my device, and I can setting to other device which one's same thing in Harmony OS. Example, I have a Huawei Mate 40 Pro, and in my Huawei Mate 40 Pro is I can connect with my smartwatch, and I can manage the smartwatch in my smartphone. Okay, next, security. In this case, security is have three module: right person, right device, and right data. Right person is have a three model: zero trust model, multi-factor authentication, and collaborative authentication. Zero trust model is the security is only have authentication for one device. Example, you have a handphone, you have a smartphone, and only you can manage your phone, because you have to block it other device to accessing your phone, except Harmony OS user. You can block Harmony OS user to access your phone in zero trust model. And multi-factor authentication is not only one authentication have to secure your handphone. Example, you have OTP and you have SMS code. So it's multi authentication can you build in your phone for your security, for your great security. And collaborative authentication. Collaborative authentication is mean Harmony OS you can manage and open source your authentication. Example, you have a smart Samsung phone and you have an Huawei phone. Nah, you can combine your Harmony OS phone with your Samsung smartphone. You can collaborative your authentication, which is it's two smartphone, the two different smartphone.
My name is Ahmad Muharram Jiddan Wahono. Okay, in right device, you can find secure bot, CEE, and device certificate authentication. The purpose of making secure boot is to secure application and system firmware that are in Harmony OS. So Harmony OS guarantees that application in Harmony OS will not be able to be changed by malicious parties. Second, TEE. TEE is a device that was created to secure the data of Harmony OS users. So this device will authenticate the device that will edit the data on our device. If that person cannot authenticate, then the data cannot be edited. 3. Device certificate authentication is a security scheme created by Harmony OS to be able to know that the device that will be paired to our device is genuine and legal device. This certificate is in the TEE. And when we want to send sensitive data to other Harmony device, then it must go through the TEE security line, namely by authentication. Next is write data. In write data, you can find 5 categories. First is data generation, 2 is data storage, 3 is data usage, 4 is data transmission, and 5 is data destruction. Okay, first is data generation. Data generation is made to be able to adapt to local regulation so that it can be accepted by the country that will be the user country of Harmony OS. And the data will be categorized and classified. So the data can be monitored for its security level, which can use transmit is a device that the security of the system is guaranteed. Okay, second is data storage. In data storage, that data has been classified will be given the appropriate security depending on the level of security. Seamless cross-device key mobility and access control are support throughout the life cycle of keys for distribute. Collaborative identity authentication and data sharing. Next, data usage. Data usage is a method for sensitive data stored in TEE, which later, if you want to share it with other device, must go through the authentication stage and the part device must be safe. Next is data transmission. Data transmission is made so that data transmission becomes secure by establishing trust with virtual device that have a Huawei ID. If you want to connect with each other, then you have to do each other through the authentication stage first. After success, the device will be encrypted and can be used for communication between devices. And the last is data destruction. Data destruction is used to destroy the data. If the data is secured with a key, then if you want to destroy all the data, you must destroy the key of the data. Okay, in the last is advantage and disadvantage. Advantage in Harmony OS, there are several cons. Long support period, same like iPhone. Data management very good because can long lasting. This is OS. Integration into smartphone OS, pet OS, smartwatch, smart TV, smart car, and smart things. And the advantage is in Harmony OS, there are several cons interface, same like Android, and several in Mac device. Example, Huawei, Media, and Infinix. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching in this presentation. I want to apologize if our presentation have much mistake. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.